We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
So, breaking news from San Mateo, California, GoPro has released a firmware update. And that's exciting news. So let's go to our GoPro correspondent at GoPro headquarters. Danny, how's it going out there? We are all excited about the new firmware update here in San Mateo, California at GoPro headquarters. You could tell I'm obviously in California because I'm wearing a California shirt and my America beanie. So this is definitely in California. This is exciting. Did they finally get the max lens mod to work? Or 1080p live streaming? Or 5K 24 frames per second? Well, no, none of that. So what did they update? Extended battery. Oh, they're extending the battery life. No, not exactly. They just added an icon in the menu system where you can easily change it to be able to save your battery and extend it a little bit longer, like tripod mode. So if your camera is on a tripod or it's stationary, you can set it on tripod mode and it will turn off hypersmooth and GPS, and that'll extend your battery a little bit more. And it will also help it from overheating. Oh, okay, that's actually a really good idea. Anything else? Yes, there actually is some general bug fixes and interface improvements. Like what? Well, like they added ultra slow-mo and basic presets. I mean, couldn't you have just created those yourself? Yeah, you could have already created it yourself. Safe to say it's kind of a slow news day. Yeah, pretty much kind of a slow news day. Back to you. Well, that's it here today at the GNN Network. GoPro News Network. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Mr. Black.